Today's video is brought to you by Kustom Interior. Let's get right into it. Box inside of a box. We're going to go ahead and get this all opened up. After we get it all opened up, then I'll show you guys what it looks like. Bottom. I didn't want to bore you guys with an unboxing, so we went ahead and got everything laid out. It looks awesome so far. This is the color that we went with, so we've got the full red with like black, and then it'll have red headrest. So this looks really cool. I'm excited to get all this on. What I'm going to do first is pull the headrests out, and then these are just premium like leather covers, so they go over top of it. We don't have to actually pull any of the cloth interior off. So I'm going to go ahead and pull the headrest and show you guys that. There are straps under here, and we'll pull that down and push those through. So you've got some Velcro straps that come under here, and you just Velcro those on. They are a high strength Velcro. And then just make sure that all of your edges are tucked. It's all tucked in there. Looks like it fits really, really nice. Yeah. They do send you this little toolkit right here, and you can just use this to help tuck the leather covers if needed. I guess every vehicle is probably a little different, but it goes under your actual seat post pieces. And like, for example, if you couldn't get that to stretch, you could like work it around with that. But these fit really, really good so far. I'm very impressed. And the finish on that looks nice. Here's your lever in the middle. Looks really awesome. What do you think, babe?
It looks really good.
Yep, that looks awesome. Alright, so as far as the headrest goes, we just literally push it in here. Everything is fitting absolutely awesome, by the way. And try to line up like the seam on the leather with the seam on the cloth. And then we're just going to push this down and put that Velcro, and look at the fitment on that. That looks really good. And there's that.
Oh, that doesn't even look like a cover.
Alright, so now we're going to start installing the bottom cover. So it's got a cutout for the seat belts, so that's what I'm going to work on first. I'm going to go ahead and slide those seat belts through.
Yeah.
Alright, so I've got a buckle right here. And we're also testing the durability of this because I'm kind of moving around the concrete. So okay, so I did have one issue. It's not their fault, it's my fault. So this bottom side is going to be a little bit loose on mine. You see how tight this side is? It doesn't move. I ripped one of the Velcro straps because the safety hooks that you tie the kids' car seats into, like little metal hooks that are inside of the seat, the cover got caught on that. Whenever I tried to fold it down, the cover tries to catch on that, and it does it on both sides. But see, as you can see, this gets caught each time I kind of try to do that, the seat cover gets caught. So whenever you're using this lever, just make sure that your seat cover isn't getting caught on the little metal hooks back here. These are the metal hooks I'm talking about. They're back in here. I don't know if it'll pick up on camera, but it's similar to this piece right here, except it's right up here. So this Velcro is what I ripped off. I just ripped off one of them. I'm just gonna leave it there. But all these others are good to go. This one almost ripped as well. It's kind of torn. So like I said, this was my fault, but I do want to mention this to help you guys out. So watch out for those little bitty hooks down there where you hook the car seat onto, because the seat, whenever you fold it, this cover will try to get caught on it. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and put it back into the Jeep. Oh, it is a little bit wider now. I've seen videos of people installing these with the seat still in the vehicle. I don't know, that'd be really hard. But it could be done, I guess. Alright, so we got it in. Look how bright and beautiful it is. It absolutely fits. I mean, it literally looks. Seats are actually red leather. Like, look at the front cloth. Dude, it just screams. I love it. So these will just push into like the crack of your seat in the middle. And then it's got one big buckle that goes all the way underneath the entire seat and buckles, and then it just has these two hooks. I don't see any Velcro or anything else, so we'll see how tight and how fitted we can get this. But it looks like for the front seats, we're literally just gonna pretty much set that in there like so, and go in behind this handle, of course. And that definitely fits good and looks good. And then these pieces right here are literally just gonna, like, you're just gonna push them back in there, and then when they stand up, so you're just gonna pretty much use your hand and pull those through to the back. Can they see that, baby?
Mm-hmm.
So we've got that right there, and we're gonna do all three of them like that. Okay, so the two like kind of hooks in the front, they're super easy. You just stretch them, and there's metal all underneath that seat that you can hook it to. The strap over here on this side, I had to fish it above the track of the seat, and then we fish that in from the other side, and it's all really good. Okay, so this is the driver's side because the airbag piece, in case you have airbags in your seats, these are designed to work with airbags in your seats, so this will rip open really easily if you do have airbags in your seats. So that's going to go on the driver's side. Kind of same thing. These are going to stretch underneath the back of the seat, and these are going to go down through the front of the seat. Alright, so then we're going to go ahead and stretch those top pieces around the headrest part, and we can pull all of the slack out of that, get it all on nice and tight, and then we're going to go ahead and start tucking this into the bottom. So you see me do the back seats, and you see me do one of the front seats, so I'm going to go ahead and do the other front seat off camera. And then while we still got a little bit of daylight left, we'll go ahead and back it out because I want you guys to see this in the daylight. I do feel like those pieces, even though yes, it was my fault, the piece that ripped on the back seat, I feel like that could be maybe stitched a little stronger. And then right here in the front, the fabric does still show. I feel like maybe there could have been a flap that comes down and has another little hook or a flap. So you do still see the cloth right there. But everywhere else is seamless, and they fit really, really tight to the seat. That was my main concern, was if there's going to be a lot of play. Good, and we'll always have a car seat in on that side anyway, typically. So I'm really, really happy with the custom interior leather seat cover so far. It gives the Jeep a cool look of the red leather. I really, really like that. So we're going to go ahead and install the passenger side, and then we'll pull it out and let y'all see it. Okay, so we're finally out in the daylight. It's about to rain, so it's not as bright out as I'd like for it to be, but we're gonna go ahead and show you guys the seats now. So I just now noticed that I may have put the wrong bottoms on. A lot of YouTubers wouldn't show you this, but I think I might have actually put the bottoms on the wrong side. So I may have to switch the bottoms because this, I don't know though, because this fits right around this, and that looks like it would, I mean, that looks right, and that fits nicely over here. But then on the other side, there's this cutout right here, kind of for no reason. I did put them on the right side now because, I mean, this went on great. Ooh, and see, this does have a little bit of extra material on this side. Okay, so guys, I may have accidentally put the wrong one on the wrong side, so I'm gonna switch those bottoms out probably. Again, huge shout out to Custom Interior for sending me this and just let me do an honest review video on it and an install for you guys. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to get on there, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, drop me a comment on what you think. Sorry for mix matching the bottoms on those. You guys didn't get to see them 100%, but like I said, you've seen that cutout. That's supposed to be for the other side, so I'll switch those and they should be they should fit really, really good. And that's gonna cover more of the fabric as well. So that's a huge plus. Always remember, everybody starts out as nobody, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Looks like it's about to come a big old